Hey, it's Russell Graves and welcome out here in the barn at Hackberry Farm. And in the video you're about to watch, we've taken one of our long form webinars and chopped it up to make it a little bit shorter and more palatable. So we hope you find some value in this one. In the meantime, stay with us all the way to the end. I got a special gift for you. Let's get started. This is a tool I really haven't started using a lot yet, but it's again, I don't want to pick on this other software company because they're revolutionary, but we all know of another company that kind of has the same thing. And in the past, you know, if I had a picture I wanted to crop, well, the first thing I would do was take it out to a third-party software program, make it bigger, double the size of the picture and the pixels, and then come back and crop it. And I don't know if that's the right order to do things, but that's the right order that made the most sense for me, is to make the original picture bigger, crop it where I needed to, and then work on the crop version in the end. Well, now this is a new feature in Lightroom that came out. I don't think it came out in the last update, but the update before, super resolution. And it's in the same place as denoise is. And with super resolution, it's one click. All you got to do, one click, and it's going to double the size of an image. And so if your image is 5,300 pixels long, you click super resolution, it's going to be 10,600 pixels on the longest edge. Again, just gives you more versatility, I'm sorry. It also makes it more versatile is what I was trying to say. It gives it more versatility. And in the end, Adobe says it's good for, you know, if you need a bigger image to make a bigger print, it's good for that. I looked through the Adobe literature, and it doesn't really say, you know, what comes first, the chicken or the egg. It doesn't say, you know, if you're going to crop a picture, you should super resolution first and crop it, or crop it first and then super res it. I'm not sure which one. So if y'all want to try that, it might be worth looking at. But I'm really interested in using this as time goes along. Again, for not only because it's built into the software, you're paying for it anyway, but as a time saver to not have to export it out to a third-party software, then bring it back into the mix to look at it again. I actually did the super resolution with this picture. I cropped in on this one just a little bit to see what it's going to look like. I mean, visually, I can't tell any difference. This wasn't a huge crop, but still, I tried it out on this coyote picture right here. If you like what you watched and heard today, be sure to like and subscribe our videos. It really does help us out a lot. And if you want your set of free nature photography cheat sheets, head on over to hackberryfarm.com, put in your email address, and those cheat sheets will be delivered directly to your inbox. Thanks a lot.